We've never seen this kind of a situation in parts of North India. Usually the monsoon brings a huge amount of rainfall, yes, but what we've been seeing with every single day, the amount of rainfall only increasing, non-stop red alerts, flooding, rivers all swollen. It's led to a situation in Delhi today where you're going to be seeing parts of the national capital completely underwater, where Delhi will look almost like an island. It's happened before. 2 years ago in 2023, and I remember reporting there from the streets of Delhi. Most of Delhi was unrecognizable at that point. Today, just a few hours ago, the Yamunas crossed the danger mark. So there's a serious threat of severe flooding. The government is saying that we are keeping a close track on the current situation. They've urged all those living in low-lying areas to move, to be evacuated into relief centers. But if this continues, you're going to see the situation even perhaps a lot worse than 2023.
Heavy rains have brought Delhi NCR to its knees. Streets turned into streets. And chaos unfolded in the national capital, exposing the city's crippled infrastructure. Low-lying areas of the capital completely submerged. There were long traffic jams. In some areas, residents were forced to take shelter on roofs. Authorities used boats to shift residents in affected areas to safe locations.
It's right behind me. This is how people are evacuating at this point in time. Of course, the warnings have been sounded already, but a lot of people didn't realize that the water level will increase to the extent that a lot of things will get damaged within their homes. They're doing what they can right now to save whatever is there inside the house. It looks like, some dry eatables that they've managed to kind of salvage. This is what the people will pretty much be surviving on. बहुत दिक्कत होती है, ऐसे हर बार पानी भर जाता है,
पैर खराब होते हैं, बीमार होते हैं, डेंगू होता है, मलेरिया होता है, बहुत समस्या उठानी पड़ती है।
क्या अभी सरकार की तरफ से आपको बहुत मुश्किल है? मैंने देखा यहाँ पे सिलेंडर वगैरह भी फ्लोट हो रहा था पानी के अंदर। खाना वाना कैसे बनेगा?
खाना नहीं बनाया, सुबह सिर्फ चाय नाश्ता करा, वो भी बाहर से।
Adding to the city woes, the gates of the Hathnikund barrage in Haryana are open, pumping out water downstream, raising the water level of Yamuna in Delhi. The river has now crossed the danger mark. Gurugram witnessed a similar situation. Several roads were waterlogged, vehicles broke down, and scores of people left stranded. The Jaipur highway on Monday night saw bumper-to-bumper traffic jam that stretched for kilometers. With the Met Department predicting more rains, all corporate and private institutions were advised to ask their employees to work from home on Tuesday.
The picture which we are bringing you right now is a bigger question for the authorities in Gurgaon. This is an underpass at Rajiv Chowk, which is essentially the pathway for the pedestrians, those who want to take a walking route to different parts from Rajiv Chowk. You could read there the passage towards Naharpur Rupa, the mini secretariat, as well as Anaj Mandi. And what we see is that it's not just knee-deep or waist-deep water. The water level has reached to the extent that it is almost going to touch the upper roof of this subway.
For Delhi NCR, the monsoon spell is far from over. With more showers predicted through the week, the rain fury is set to bring more distress. With Sneha Mordani and Amit Bhardwaj, Bureau Report, India Today.